Maximizing fridge space can be a game changer in kitchen efficiency. One innovative solution is using tension rods to create adjustable dividers for different sections of your shelves. This not only helps to categorize various food items, but also maintains an uncluttered look. Additionally, utilize stackable bins for similar items like snacks or canned goods to make the most of vertical space. Incorporate clear labels for each section to swiftly locate your groceries while decreasing food waste by ensuring nothing is forgotten. Implementing these hacks can lead to a more organized and visually appealing fridge, making meal prepping and grocery shopping much easier and more enjoyable.